your West Coast iPhone hotspot. You can use your hotspot if you are in the field and you need to enter notes for whatever reason, or at a public place and you need to enter notes. You can use your hotspot. And if you are in a public place that has a free Wi-Fi, don't use that. Use your phone's hotspot because it's more secure. Um, to turn on the hotspot, you will go to settings here, settings, and then hit the slider here to turn it on. I won't do it here because it will mess up my recording, but you would do that. This is your Wi-Fi password, and down here is your um, the name of the hotspot here. So this is what you would look for in your on your device's Wi-Fi settings on your devices. When it picks up the Wi-Fi, you would go here. You would look for this one here. You connect to it, and you would use this password after you turn it on. And then you can connect, and then once it's on, you connect your device to it, and then you can start work. Don't share your passcode with anyone, and remember to turn it off when done. And so that's how you do that.